All right, McAfee has decided to start detecting MKDesignIndexer as a virus. Out of more than 70 antiviruses, this is the only product that is doing so. I recommend uninstalling it and going to use Windows Defender and saving your money, but the 70 other antivirus programs do not find it to be a virus. So I'm going to show you how you can exclude it from the McAfee system. Now, this user had selected the config file, and that doesn't work. So that's not the right file. The reason they did that is if you look, the executable file is not in the MKDesignIndexer folder. Well, that's because McAfee quarantined it. So it's a two-step process. You need to first go under quarantined items and tell them to restore it. Okay. Once it's restored, you then can go back to your real-time scanning and say add a file to the exclude list, and you'll see that it now appears, and that's actually under the C:" program files, and you'll find the folder for MKDesignIndexer. Okay, so that's how you exclude a file so that it'll run now. Now the icon on the desktop hasn't updated, but it will after a reboot or a refresh at some point, and you will get the icon up. If you have this 14-day trial thing popping up here, send an email to support@mkquilts.com. I'll send you a link to an updated program file that will get rid of this window. It stays up more than 14 days sometimes, and it's a pain. But also, when you run this for the first time, it gives you this notice here. Some people are confused by cloud storage. If you're using OneDrive, or if any of your designs are in a cloud storage, you need to mark that folder to keep on device, or always make available, depending on how it shows up as the settings. That'll still keep it in the cloud, but it keeps a copy on your local storage so that this process goes much faster. So that's just an add-on here. It has nothing to do with the antivirus stuff. But once again, I would uninstall McAfee, quit paying them. Windows Defender, Windows Security, Firewall, everything built into Windows 10 and 11 are now totally fine, and the companies have moved on to trying to sell VPN and other software features. So once the product comes up, you can see this person had a workspace stored in the designs folder. This is just a reminder that MKDesignIndexer just shows what's on the drive. It doesn't contain any files. So depending on how you manage your folders, obviously it can be more chaotic. Looks like there's more folders here than in the standard designs folder. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, get with support@mkquilts.com. If you need me to get on your computer to do this, book time through the support webpage. All right. Have a great day.